gonna make some lemon water and oranges. I think I'm gonna put some of the lemon and oranges in here. What do you think?
Yeah.
We're just gonna squeeze them and drop them in.
Can they squeeze?
Yeah, squeeze it.
Yeah. Will we? Will.
Now we put the top on. Can you put this top on?
Yes.
There. Thank you.
You're welcome. No, let's do it.
You want some water?
I don't want some.
You don't want some?
Yeah. I just want you to get those salmons.
No, you just...
I just want you to get them in here.
in your cup.
Ooh.
I'm gonna drink some and look at them in my cup.
Okay. I just want to drink some.
Yeah, drink some. There you go. See how it is. Is it good? Little lemony?
Yeah. I don't need it.
You don't need the straw, okay?
And around and around and around.
Welcome back, y'all. It is Friday. It's been raining all morning. I mean, it started pouring down out of nowhere this morning too. I woke up, I think it was around 3:45 this morning. I woke up and I was kind of cold. So I got up and turned, we have that one of those little small electric fireplaces in the downstairs bedrooms because when it's cold, it's colder down here than it is upstairs. The upstairs bedrooms stay really warm. But anyway, point is, as soon as I pressed the power button on that heater, it started pouring down rain. It was almost like I turned on the rain. And so then I started laughing about that at I think it was 3:45 or 3:55 this morning. I was thinking, what if I pressed that button? Anyway, I was still half asleep, so yeah, but it was pouring down rain. I came to the door, y'all saw that part. I came and opened the door because I was like, what? Roosty is very excited. He didn't get to crow a lot this morning because it was raining, so he's making up for it now. But yeah, that was a major downpour, and it was just funny because the moment I pressed that button, it started. And it started that heavy. You know how sometimes it kind of, starts off slow and then gets heavy? No, it sounded like it just dropped right out of the sky as soon as I pressed that button. Anyway, it is now 2:22 in the afternoon, and I'm hoping that Titus is gonna get home today so that we can go play mini golf, but it's gonna be really busy tonight because it's Friday night. The good thing is we don't live far away from the mini golf place, so even if we don't get to go this week, we can go one day next week when it's sunny and all. I just wanted to go one day for spring break. I actually wanted to go to Gatlinburg, but that's not happening either. Titus has a lot of work to do this week because, as y'all know, we have lots of rain around here. I thought he was gonna get rained out today, but thankfully the rain stopped, and I guess his first farm must have had a barn. If they have a barn, it doesn't matter if it's raining or not because they can shoe the horses in the barn. But when they don't have barns and it rains, he gets rained out. So then on the sunny days, he has to make up for all the farms that had to be rescheduled because of rain. So yeah, he's been really busy this week, but Gatlinburg sure would have been fun. Summer's coming though. Summer is coming. Anyway, the mountains are calling. Can y'all tell? They are calling to me, come see us at the mountains. Okay, y'all, it's a little bit later. I talked to Titus. He's probably not gonna get home until late. So that means no mini golf tonight, which like I said, anyway, they're gonna be busy up there tonight since it is Friday. So that's fine, because let me just tell y'all, the kids, they want the ice cream. They're not as much excited about the mini golf. Yeah. They're not as much excited about the mini golf as they are of just getting some ice cream. That's like the whole point of that little mini golf place, is just get through the mini golf so you can get to the ice cream parlor, because it's like when you finish that course, you hit your last hole. When you go in and return your stuff, then when you go out, you walk across this bridge and you go straight to the ice cream parlor. I mean, you can go to the ice cream parlor without playing the mini golf, but that's just, it's just kind of part of it. Y'all, I just cut this bag too short. I'm trying to seal up all these cereals. It was a cereal.
I can seal it.
You can seal it?
By myself.
Press that one right there.
Okay.
It's sealed. I don't know why I like mini golf so much, and we most of the time we say putt putt, but when I've said putt putt before, people didn't know what I was talking about. So that's why I say mini golf, but yeah, we call it putt putt. Anyway, I don't know why I like it so much, because I am terrible at it. Absolutely terrible. It's fun though. Ooh, it got windy out there all of a sudden. I knew it looked like it was about to storm again. Hey, you knew which button, didn't you?
Yeah.
Roosty and two of the girls are out here in the front. Y'all better get back to the pen. It's about to rain. Okay, Okay, y'all, it's a little while later. We went to Ingles for supper tonight. We're having a nacho bar. So I had this leftover pulled pork from yesterday, and I love those pork nachos that we made a while back. Well, what was that restaurant we were copycatting? Was it the Timberwood Grill in Pigeon Forge or something? Y'all can tell, like I said earlier.
Beeping.
Yeah, it's beeping. Like I said, I've been wanting to go to the mountains, but anyway, I think it was the it's whatever the little restaurant is there on the island in Pigeon Forge. Anyway, those nachos are good. It's barbecue, pulled pork, red onions, pepper. It's wonderful. So I decided we would just have a big nacho bar. I also have this ground beef already cooked up from the Big Mac sliders the other day. I got it warmed up, so I'm just gonna put everything out here on the counter, all kinds of nacho toppings. I was out of sour cream, and I definitely needed that for nachos. Oh, and we found these while we were in there. They were on sale for $2.48. It's big taco salad shells. We ate at a Mexican restaurant a few months ago, and I ordered a taco salad, and it came in this big old shell like that. Let's see what we do here, Manny. Do you want nachos or do you want taco salad?
Ice cream.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see here. We just make a little, kind of like making a little hat thing here, just like that. Now we'll put this on the baking sheet. I'm just gonna go ahead and make all four. What movie did they pick, Manny? I heard them talking about Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Is that it?
Ronald will like the sweet kids.
Oh, he really likes Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Oh, look, it says that you can make some cream rolls with these too. Those look good. Or you can use them to make sundaes. I'm sure you could probably do this with just about any tortilla shell. Okay, you know what? Woo, this one is not wanting to stay together. That's good. We're just gonna go with that. There we go. We'll get those in the oven. I need to cut up this onion and a pepper. We have the chips that we got from Aldi, and I also got some ranch Doritos in case anybody wanted some of those. These are the ones from Aldi. They're restaurant tortilla chips, party size for this Friday night. We got lots of fun stuff for the popcorn tray too. We'll get it ready though after we get supper stuff cleaned up. I got some different cheeses to shred up here. We have a habanero cheddar cheese, pepper jack, and then just regular medium cheddar. I can't believe it. You want some cheese?
Yeah.
Jake's bringing the peppers in here for me. I'm about to get all that stuff sliced up.
Lettuce.
Oh, I forgot lettuce. I always forget lettuce. Okay, I'm gonna taste of this guacamole salsa real quick so we can tell y'all how it is. That's pretty good, y'all. It's a little spicy, but yeah, it's good.